Okay everyone, this is how I use my butter detangler to detangle my braid after I take out my hair. This is my butter detangler. This is how I use it. I take some, I massage it through my hair to help it to detangle my braids. It helps to detangle my braids. So right here, I haven't even combed my hair, and this is the one I have my butter in, and this one I haven't put any butter in. I haven't even combed my hair. My hair is already stretched out. Let's see. It is just so easy for me to comb my hair through. You see, I can comb my hair through it. It's just so easy for me to detangle my hair. It's just so easy for me. When I take out my braid, might take washing my hair and combing my hair has always been a nightmare for me. But with this braid detangler, oh my goodness, it's just so easy for me to comb out my hair. It's just so easy. You see, you just stretch my hair out. This is the best braid detangler. So it will be easy for me to wash my hair. And I haven't even let it sit. If I let it sit for like 30 minutes and comb it, it will be so amazing. So yeah, this is good for your braids. If you want to detangle your hair after you take your braids out, this is amazing. It helps to stretch your braids. It helps to stretch your hair out. This is my hair, and this is the one I put the butter in. This is the one I haven't put any butter in. So you can tell the difference. I can't comb this stuff. I can comb this stuff, but see how easy it is for me to just go through this braid here. It's just so easy for me to go through my hair. I can run my hand through it. Braids butter detangler. I have a JSP on BeyonceLuxury.com. That's where you're gonna get it, and I have it in the shop. This braid detangler helps to remove the knots when you take out your hair. It helps to remove the knots, and you don't have a lot of damage to your hair or to your scalp, and it doesn't pull your hair out because it helps to soften your hair so you can comb your hair through. That's what the braid detangler does to your hair. So if you don't want to be losing your hair when you take out your braids, I will urge you to get this braid detangler. It helps to detangle your hair, and it has shea butter, it has mango butter in it, it has coconut oil, it has olive oil, castor oil, and sweet almond oil, even hemp seed oil. It has everything that this braid butter has. Is one you can use it on your skin, because I use the same formula on my skin, just different fragrance. That's how I started doing my braid butter, because I was like, if I can use it on my skin, let me try it on my hair. And I tried it on my hair, was able to detangle my hair, and I didn't cry combing my hair, I didn't cry washing my hair. So this is really good. This is really good. Everyone that got it, they all call me and thank me for it. So it's good when you take out your braids. It helps to detangle your hair. Like, I'm not crying taking out my hair. Combing my hair is always a nightmare for me, but this works so perfect for me. This is beautiful. I'm not gonna make this video long, so I'm gonna come back with the whole hair. done. So I washed my hair yesterday, and I used my Braid butter detangler. My Braid butter detangler. I use it to condition my hair. I use it as a leave-in conditioner. So I'm combing my hair today. This is the last one I have to comb. So you see how easy it is for me to just run through my hair. Like I said before, I always cry when I comb my hair. It's just so easy for me to comb my hair through because of my butter detangler that I made. It's just so easy for me, and I have less breakage. The hair that I comb, this is just what I have. Before, I will have a lot of hair come out from my braids. So, but I just have less hair now. So this is, it's just so amazing. It's just so amazing that I don't have to blow dry my hair or flat iron my hair. It's just easy for me to comb through. It's just easy. I haven't flat iron, I haven't blow dry my hair. It's just easy for me. Okay, this is my final look. I have to put a ponytail because I don't know what I'll be doing to my hair. I don't know to braid it or to leave it out. So I have a ponytail right now, Afro ponytail. This is my go-to kind of ponytail. I don't like silky ponytail because they don't give me the African feeling that I like. So this is my final result. I hope you like it, and check out my Braid butter detangler JSP Ambiance Luxury.com. I'll see you next time.